to be able to know that he or she is qualified to get this special prize. A round trip ticket, Manila, Hong Kong, Manila, 36 hours travel time. Via bus and via Roro.
And then 5 layovers.
5 layovers. Yes, 5 layovers. And you have to provide your own visas to the countries of the layover. The winner is, oh my God, it's a very, very lucky number. The winner,
Ticket number
1.
and we'll be back after 2 hours. The winner is number 1.
Stop number 1.
Oh my God.
Who's holding number 1?
Okay,
Number 1.
no, come here.